Time once again for The Law and You, featuring the area's award-winning and premier attorneys. They are better known as Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, thanks for being here today.
Well, I tell you what, we don't get. I wish when we walked into the house every night.
Don't you have that type of greeting?
That's not happening.
It's like an announcer's voice saying, "I'm home, I made it." All right, here's our question tonight for The Law and You, and this is from Jason in Drums. Jason says, "I've been working on the same job now for 15 years. I am 50 years old and have diabetes. I've always gotten great reviews, and now my company just told me I am getting fired. Can I sue them?" Now, given that Jason is 50, has a good track record here, this could be an issue, right?
It could. You know, the age is definitely a consideration. The diabetes is a close call because, you know, obviously if it's controlled, that doesn't really fall under the American with Disabilities Act. But if it's something that, you know, your job has been making accommodations for you with this particular illness for many years, then, you know, there is an argument to be made. But you may have an age discrimination case, on your hands, and you really need to get to a lawyer on it.
Yeah, at 50, I believe he's in a protected class. So I mean, they have to be careful how they terminate you. But again, you really need to talk to an attorney who knows what they're doing with these things. And again, you didn't give us a ton of facts either. So a lot more information would be needed. And I think, you know, with what you have going on right now, the best thing for you to do is to pick up the phone, call an attorney, get an appointment, and, you know, sit down and figure out exactly, you know, what cause of action you can file.
And when people call you, they visit the website, it's probably a good idea to start with gathering the evidence that's necessary.
No question about it.
And anything that he has from, you know, his employment, any commendations where it says, hey, you're a great worker, we love having you. All that stuff helps build your case.
These cases absolutely, unequivocally turn on documents.
Yeah.
Documentation, the more you have it, the better your case can become. And I was just thinking, isn't it nice to know that you're in a protected class now that you're 50?
Well, I look pretty good for 50.
How about getting in contact with you guys?
Well, you can call us, 570-74-HURT. See us on the web at 714hurt.com. And guess what? He's going to be there someday. He's coming.
Or go to our Facebook page, and if you have a question, put it on our page. We'll do our best to answer it on an upcoming segment.
All right, results matter between the two guys that really like each other. Attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, thanks. We'll see you next time.
We'll see you tomorrow.
Don't forget, PAhomepage.com or the Law and You hotline are always open.